Hello everyone, we present to you the top Home Depot Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals of this year. From smart home devices to professional-grade tools, these deals cover everything you need to upgrade your home, expand your toolkit, or prepare for the holiday season. With discounts running throughout the month, it's a perfect chance to make significant upgrades while enjoying great savings. Whether you are looking to enhance your living space with smart devices, power up your home improvement projects with professional tools, or get ready for the holidays, there is something for everyone in these deals. Kicking off our list are the Google Nest smart home devices, which would become a staple for anyone looking to enhance their home automation. The Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th generation, stands out for its combination of style, functionality, and intelligence. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any room, and the large high-resolution display provides easy visibility of temperature, schedules, and notifications. The thermostat automatically adjusts to your routine and presence, optimizing energy usage without constant manual intervention. In addition, the Nest thermostat comes with an external temperature sensor that allows you to prioritize temperature readings in specific rooms. This feature is especially useful for spaces like nurseries, bedrooms, or home offices, ensuring comfort where it matters most. The device integrates smoothly with popular smart home ecosystems, offering voice control through compatible assistants and remote management via smartphones or tablets. Its energy reports provide insight into usage patterns, helping homeowners save on heating and cooling costs. Moving on, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor 2K wired 2nd generation is another standout product in Home Depot's smart home lineup. This wired camera delivers high-quality 2K video with a wide 152-degree field of view, capturing every detail of your outdoor environment. Its two-way audio feature allows direct communication, while its advanced detection capabilities accurately identify people, animals, and vehicles. Unlike many other outdoor cameras, it avoids excessive or ambiguous notifications, giving users only meaningful alerts. Although installation requires some effort, including mounting and cable management, the camera's overall performance justifies the setup. While basic notifications and live feed access are available without a subscription, optional plans unlock features such as familiar faces detection and extended video storage. With this level of precision and reliability, the Nest Cam Outdoor 2K is a smart investment for anyone looking to boost home security. Next up, we have the DeWalt tools, and these buy one get one BOGO deals are genuinely worth your attention. First is the 20V Max 13-inch cordless string trimmer. It gives you a 13-inch cutting swath, a gear drive transmission for extra torque, and a variable speed trigger so you can choose between maximum power or longer runtime. Then there's the 20V Max XR handheld blower. It pushes up to 450 CFM of air at 125 miles per hour, and the axial fan design keeps noise surprisingly low at around 62 decibels. Next is the 20V Max XR brushless jigsaw, model DCS334B. It features a 4-position orbital action for different cutting styles, an all-metal keyless blade clamp, and a built-in LED so you can see clearly in darker areas. You'll also find the 20V Max XR 6.5-inch circular saw. It uses a brushless motor that delivers up to 4,950 RPM for smooth cutting, plus a tool-free bevel adjustment from 0 to 50 degrees and a convenient rafter hook for quick storage. Home Depot's promotion also includes a free DeWalt tool with the purchase of a 20V battery or the other way around. One standout free option is the 20V Max 1/2-inch cordless drill DCD793B or DCD793D1. It's compact at just 6.38 inches long, delivers 404 units watts out of power, and can reach speeds up to 1,650 RPM. It also includes a 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck and an LED work light right on the tool. As always, you can find all the links to the products that are mentioned in this video right in the description and in the pinned comment down below. Shifting focus, Milwaukee also has some excellent offers in the Home Depot Black Friday sale, including buy one get one promos and even 50% off deals on select items. One of the biggest advantages here is Milwaukee's M18 battery system. A single battery can power multiple tools, making it a great choice if you're expanding your setup without wanting to buy a new battery every time. Among the standout products is the M18 Fuel 1/4-inch hex impact driver. It's built with a power state brushless motor, delivers up to 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, and includes a 4-mode drive control with a self-tapping screw mode for added precision.
The design is compact at just 4.47 inches, and you also get a bright tri-LED work light plus single-handed bit insertion for quick changes. Another strong deal is the M18 Fuel Braking Grinder, 4 to 4.5 inch. It delivers the power of a 13-amp corded grinder thanks to the power state motor, and it includes RedLink Plus intelligence to protect against overload. The rapid stop braking feature is especially impressive, stopping the wheel in under 3 seconds for added safety and control. You'll also find the M18 Fuel 5-inch flathead angle grinder designed for tight spaces with its low-profile head. It produces up to 8,500 RPM and works best with Milwaukee's high-output batteries for longer runtime and consistent performance.
Let's move on to Makita tools, which offer their own buy one, get one promotions. With Makita, purchasing a qualifying tool allows you to select either a free battery pack or another tool from the promotion. Makita's tools are well known for their durability, performance, and long-lasting batteries, making them suitable for both professional and home users. The battery compatibility across different tools ensures a seamless experience, allowing you to switch from one task to another without worrying about changing batteries frequently. These promotions make it easy to establish a versatile and efficient toolkit capable of handling everything from woodworking to home repairs. Next, Ryobi also offers its own buy one, get one BOGO deals on a selection of their power tools and batteries. Their promotion includes popular items such as oscillating multi-tools, impact wrenches, and cutting tools, all compatible with Ryobi's 18-volt battery system. These tools are perfect for homeowners and hobbyists who want dependable performance without a steep learning curve. Ryobi's ecosystem ensures that a single battery can power multiple tools, reducing downtime and making tasks more efficient. Whether it's home improvement, small construction projects, or DIY crafts, Ryobi tools provide a practical and accessible solution. Moving on, rigid tools are part of the Home Depot Black Friday promotion with both buy one, get one offers and deep discounts on battery-powered tools. A standout item is the 18V brushless cordless battery leaf blower, which comes complete with a battery and charger. Rigid is known for producing reliable, heavy-duty tools designed to withstand rigorous use, making them ideal for outdoor projects, yard maintenance, and home improvements. These bundled deals make it easy to purchase a comprehensive set of tools, allowing users to get the job done efficiently without additional purchases or separate components. Lastly, Home Depot's Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals extend into the holiday season with free Christmas tree delivery. This service covers both artificial and fresh-cut trees, taking the hassle out of transportation and setup. Artificial trees are designed to look realistic while offering long-term durability, and fresh-cut trees provide the classic holiday aroma and traditional look. Having trees delivered directly to your home saves time, effort, and the stress of handling large items, allowing you to focus on decorating and enjoying the festive season. These Home Depot Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals provide an extensive selection of high-quality products for your home, toolbox, and holiday needs. From cutting-edge smart home devices like the Google Nest Thermostat and Nest Cam Outdoor 2K to professional-grade tools from DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, Ryobi, and Rigid, there is something for every home improvement enthusiast. In addition, services like free Christmas tree delivery add a convenient touch to the holiday shopping experience. With deals lasting an entire month, this is the perfect opportunity to invest in reliable appliances, tools, and holiday essentials while taking advantage of significant savings.
Seriously, thank you for watching. Don't miss out. Snag those epic Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals now before they completely vanish. Find the quick links waiting for you in the description below. If this video helped you, hit the like button, drop a quick comment, and subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest tech and holiday bargains. See you next time. Happy shopping!